Assemble the black inner part of the feet with the help of chipboard screws through the holes drilled for the feet on the bottom surface of part 2 and place the wood patterned parts on it. Then nail the connection apparatus coded A on the parts numbered 3 with the wooden wedge coded D. Screw the parts numbered 3 to the part numbered 2 with the screw coded B as shown on the screen. Place the part number 4 as shown on the screen. Then place the backrest piece. Attach the apparatus coded F to the part number 1 and assemble the thick slats by turning them. Place them in place, as in the video. Connect the upper part of the 3 numbered parts to the 2 numbered part. Assemble the lower parts of the thick slats from the bottom of part 2 as in the video. Before placing part 4 in place, place the C-coded shelf pins in place. We also arrange our wooden slats as in the video. After placing the last slat, we fix it with chipboard screws as in the video. Assemble is complete.